Hey everyone, Brady Agronoff, founder of Warehance here, and I wanted to show you a quick automation rule that we set up for one of our clients to solve an issue they had. So the problem they were having is all their orders from outside the US needed their address validated in a special way, and that needed to be manual. And so we created an automation to hold all orders as an address hold that were outside of the US, and I'll show you how to do that. So make sure you're clicked into the client that you want to set this automation for, in this case culinary cutlery. I'm going to create a new automation, and I'm going to call this hold non-US orders. I'm going to select the trigger order created. I'm going to add a condition, and this condition is going to check the customer country that does not equal United States. We're then going to scroll down to the action section and select the set hold action and select the address hold, and then press create automation. And now all orders coming from culinary cutlery that are outside of the US will be held as an address hold until the users manually go in and remove that address hold. So this was just a quick little demo showing you an automation rule we set up for a client to solve one of their issues. More of these to come in the future, and I'll show you how we solve other unique problems for our clients. Thanks for watching.